Hi guys, good afternoon. It's afternoon where I am, and welcome back to my videos. It's your girl NdatseNdomo. I'm so excited to be behind the camera as usual, and I really missed all your comments and your likes, your shares, everything. Thank you guys so much for the love on my last post. I had a couple of thousands of views and I was like, ooh. So today's video I'm going to be doing a extremely highly requested tutorial, which is how I maintain my skin and my skincare routine, or let me call it a skincare tutorial. And this tutorial is important for if you're a guy, if you're a girl, you need these tips. Also, I need to put it out there, if you guys are expecting me to come here and say you need to mix the spit of a tortoise with the fangs of some endangered species and apply on your face and skin, I'm sorry, this is not the video. This is not that video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to take care of your skin on a budget with all natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, some of them. So let's just get right into the video without much drama.
Cause I'm looking at the mother of my children. I ain't looking for a girl to have a nice time. No, I love you and I want this for
now. And also I want to put it out there that during the course of this video I'm going to be applying a little bit of makeup as I am preparing for I'm preparing my face to do a creative look. So just take this as a get ready with me while I do a creative look, but I won't finish the creative look on this video. So anyways, my very first tip for you guys is drink water. Now, water is life. We all know that you need to absolutely be drinking water. And I'm not telling you to drink water because, by the way, none of these tips are from Google. These are my personal tips which I have used on myself and on my clients, and they have worked. I have seen results on my own self. So my very first tip for you guys is to drink water. Water is everything. I did this test on drinking a lot of water for about 4 to 6 months, and I can tell you that my skin was glowing. Everywhere I went, I got comments and compliments. Everybody was like, "You're shining. What are you doing? What cream are you rubbing?" People tend to ask me a lot, "What cream are you rubbing? What cream are you using? What are you putting on your skin?" While I'm very, very grateful to God that I naturally have good skin, and thankful to my mom as well, love you mom, and thankful for good genes. As we all know, with everything good, if you don't maintain it, if you don't take care of it, good hair, a good body, good teeth, if you don't maintain it, you don't take care of it, it's not going to still be good, or it's not going to still appear good. So this is how you maintain your skin. Drink a lot of water. I'm not going to tell you how much water to drink. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dermatologist, but I can definitely tell you that drinking a lot of water has a very beneficial effect on your skincare routine. So that's my first one. I'm not gonna overflog it. And my second tip for you guys is don't wear makeup all the time. Yeah, I put this as a second tip because I'm about to apply makeup, so I don't want it to be ironic. She's saying don't wear makeup all the time, but she's wearing makeup. So don't wear makeup all the time. Now, your skin needs to breathe. This is the natural skin that God gave you. Your skin needs to breathe. You don't need to apply those layers and layers of products all the time. You need to have days when your skin is resting in its natural state, no products on it, like just fresh to skin. That's my second tip for you guys. Like, what I typically do is when I'm going to my 9 to 5, so that's 5 days out of every week, I most likely don't wear makeup. I leave my skin to breathe. I drink a lot of water. I take care of it. And then, except if I have to try on a creative look in the evening after work, then I would put on makeup. If not, I would just leave it till like maybe I'm doing a tutorial, or I'm going out, or I'm in the mood. I'm not going to give you guys rules on how often to wear your makeup, but believe me, you don't need to wear makeup all the time, because the more you wear this product on your face all the time, you're closing up your pores. Your skin is not in its natural state, and the more you get addicted to wearing makeup all the time because you feel like, oh, I need to cover my acne, I need to cover my spots. No, you absolutely do not need to. And yes, while I realize I have some spots here, it's that time of the month, and normally my skin is always glowing. So my third tip for you guys is this is so important. Like, I don't understand it, girls, ladies, guys, people who do makeup. Clean your brushes and your sponges. I mean, you're using this, you're applying this on your face every single day. It needs to be clean. So this is my sponge, and I'm going to leave a clip of where I am showing you how you can wash your sponge at the end of this video. So just watch till the end and then you'll see that clip. I see a lot of funny things on the internet these days. People are using dishwashing soap, putting their sponge in the microwave. Come on guys, are you serious? This is the same thing you're going to put on your face. Like, and while I'm at it, I'm also going to say, don't clean your sponge every day, every week, every month. Clean your sponge, wash your sponge after every use. After every use. Then I can understand with brushes, if you have a huge brush set like I have, as I do my makeup professionally, I have a huge brush set that I use. If I'm immediately going to use the brush and I know I cannot wash it, because brushes take more time to dry, and you know, when you clean your sponges you need to use them damp again, so you can always immediately reuse. But with sponges it's different. By the time you're done cleaning and washing and everything, you need to leave it to dry for at least, for me, for at least a day. So when I'm doing, if I am going to be using my brush right after and I don't have a day to play with to keep it to dry, what I actually do is I just take a wipe after every use, guys. After every use, I just take a wipe and I take one of my brushes and I just make sure I clean it so that all the product comes out that I immediately use, until the next time I can wash my brushes, all of them. And I also must point it out there that if you are using a professional makeup artist, you need to be sure of their hygiene. I think the best thing for you would be to have your own brush set, and then the makeup artist can always use. But if you have your own brush set, then just be sure to maintain it, or be sure that if you are using a makeup artist, they are clean and hygienic people. Now my next tip for you guys is to stay away from products with harsh chemicals. Like I said earlier, I'm no dermatologist, but there is no way you open a tube excuse me please, I'm still battling with a cold, but there's no way you open like a tube of makeup with all those chemicals in it and you will tell me that it's not going to damage your skin. Come on guys. Anyways, like I said, I'm not shading any products, but this is what I do. I don't use any products with harsh chemicals in it. I run away from creams that say lightening, whitening, all these terms. I completely run away from them. I don't use those kind of products at all. So that's my second tip for you guys. I have a blister on my lip. No, sorry. So that's my fourth tip for you guys. Now my fifth tip is one I absolutely love. So in as much as I don't have breakouts all the time, sometimes I do have it, and my quick go-to for whenever I have breakouts is this wonderful, magnificent product. Can you guess what it is? Turmeric. I swear by this product, and that is me personally. I swear by this product. Not just me. When I first started using turmeric, I also told my sister about it when she was having a breakout, and she got it and she has results. She has seen results from it, and not just her, my friends as well. So my second tip, why do I keep saying second tip? What's wrong with me today? So that's my fifth tip for you guys, is turmeric. So how I use turmeric is I take 1 tablespoon of turmeric and I mix it with 2 spoons of Greek yogurt. I make it very pasty and then I put it all over my face as a mask. Once it has dried off, I just use a warm cloth and I clean it off, or I wash it off. And matter of fact is what I'm going to be doing this month. I'm going to be doing I used turmeric product on my face for 30 days and this is the result. So this is my face at the start of this video, and after 30 days I'm going to show you guys how it turned out with my turmeric. Now another product which I absolutely swear by, or which I absolutely love for my body, is coconut oil. While I was growing up, I never used to use like any Vaseline or anything, and my mom would be like, you need to cream your body, your skin will get dry and everything. So as I grew up, I fell in love with using coconut oil. I love the way it smells. I love the health benefits it has on your body. So you would never catch me with any funny creams just from anywhere. I I use only natural products on my body, and if I use a cream, then I use the one from Forever Living Products because it is almost all natural ingredients inside. So I use the aloe vera product as well, and so that's for my next tip, coconut oil. And all these things I'm telling you guys is, these are things you have in your kitchen or are extremely affordable and you can always get anywhere. Now my next tip for you guys is really important. I don't want to sound like I'm overflogging it, but it is really, really, really important, tried and tested by me, and that is to eat well and to sleep well. Yes, I might not look like the healthiest person on the planet at the moment, but trust me, what you put into your body shows. So if you're putting junk into your body, it's going to show, not just in weight gain, but in the way your skin is going to react. Because over a period, I'm not saying we shouldn't eat junk once in a while if we feel like it, but over a period of time, if your diet is consistently unhealthy, your skin is also going to be unhealthy. So I make it a point of duty to eat fruit salad every single day, no matter what. No matter how that my diet for that day is, I make it a point of duty to always eat fruit salad. So, and then when it comes to sleeping, this one I've tried and tested. When I first moved to Kuwait, I wasn't sleeping very well at all. Like, it was difficult for me to sleep, and I don't know why. And it was really telling on my skin, especially my face. My eye bags were heavier than they are now. My eye bags were heavy. My face just looked like, my face was a mess. Everything was a mess. So I disciplined myself that I need to always sleep on time to avoid like bad skin. Now that's my 7th tip. So my last tip for you guys is, if you really have skin problems and you have tried out all of these tips I've given right now and you're still not seeing results, I mean, you need to be patient with results. Results are not going to come immediately. And you're still not seeing any results, then please take it to your doctor. Like I said before, I'm not a dermatologist, I am not a doctor, I am not a skin care. These are just my personal tips which I thought to share with you guys. These are the secrets nobody's going to tell you. Even if someone tells you they're going to get you a cream, they're just going to put some harsh chemicals in it. Or so why do you need that? You really don't need that on your skin. All these tips I've told you is really going to help you. And that comes to the end of my tips for you guys. Yes, I know my face is looking a bit orange. I'm about to do a creative look, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see it when I post it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below. You would always get a notification anytime and every time your girl posts a video. And until my next video, guys, I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. Love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye. So like I said, guys, this is a very dirty beauty sponge I just used now, so you can see it's stained and dirty. So what I just like to do is I take a bar of soap and I make it wet, and I'm working in reverse. Instead of making the soap wash the sponge, I make the sponge wash the soap, if that makes sense. So this is what I do after running warm water through it. As you can see, what I done is not going to bring out any products. So I just use the sponge to wash the soap. And once in a while, I would take it further by using a very tiny drop of Dettol liquid and soak my sponge in it for a very, very, very short period of time, and then I would wash it just to get all the bacteria and all the impurities out. And then to dry, I don't just, okay, there's more soap. And then to dry, I don't just like put it anywhere. I usually wrap it in tissue. And